You are sitting in a Facebook interview and the interviewer gives you an array containing 0, 1 and 2, and it tells you to sort it in this manner that 0 should come at the starting, 1 should come at the middle and 2 should come at the last. But the catch is that you have to sort it in O of n time. That means you can iterate through the array only once, that is single pass. The space should be O of 1, that means you cannot create any new data structures, and using any inbuilt function like sort are not allowed. So you have to come up with your own algorithm. So to solve this, we are going to use a 3-pointer approach in which we will take 3 pointers, start, mid and end, in which start will point to the position where the next 0 should go, and mid is the current element being examined in the array, and end is the point where the next 2 should go. Our array is 2, 0, 2, 1, 1, 0. So our pointers will be start will be pointing here, mid will be pointing here, and end pointer will be here. And we'll see that where our examine is. And we will run a while loop until our mid is bigger than the end. At this point, it is smaller than the end, so it will run. So we'll see that what element is being examined right now. Right now, it's 2. So when we get 2, we will swap the mid pointer element and the end pointer element and decrement the end by 1. So our after swapping, this and this will get swapped, and after swapping, it will be 0, 0, 2, 1, 1, 2. And end pointer will be minus by 1, and mid and start will stay at their positions. Now we'll see that what is getting examined. Now 0 is getting examined because 0 is right here. So mid and start will get swapped. In this case, it is 0 itself. It will not make any difference, but it is a part algorithm, so we'll do it. So it will swap. It will not make any difference, and start and mid will move forward. Now again, it is 0. The same process will repeat. The start and mid will move forward. The end pointer is here. Now again, we have encountered 2. So when we get 2, the mid and the end pointer will get swapped. So our new array will form. End pointer will be here. Mid and start will still be here. Now we have encountered 1. So our mid pointer, we will move forward here. Again, we will encounter 1. So our mid pointer will again move forward. It will be here. And we finally got our desired array which we wanted. And the while loop will end because mid will be greater than end. Because on this setting, the end will get at this place. Because end will get -1. So by this approach, this problem will be solved in one pass without using any data structures and any inbuilt sorting algorithm. The code of this in Java, C++, Python will be on your screen, and I'm going to see you in the next one.